Hey guys, how's it going? Laura with Garden Answer. In today's video, I want to show you this battery operated tiller from Mantis. I've been really excited about this because I've wanted a tiller like this for quite a long time. So I'm going to show you how it works, and I think it's perfect for most home gardeners. And because we partnered with Mantis on this video, we get to give one away. So be sure to check out the description of this video for all the giveaway details and make sure to get yourself entered. So tillers this size are actually fairly common. In fact, my parents have owned a small Mantis tiller for as long as I can remember. But what makes this one different is that it runs off of a 58-volt battery. And if you guys haven't noticed, Aaron and I love battery operated tools, but I'll get into the whole battery aspect of this here in a second. So let's talk about the design of this tiller first. It has a 12-inch tilling width, which I think makes it really ideal for small garden spaces and raised beds, which is where I'm going to be using this tiller primarily. You can set the wheels in 3 different positions, which will allow you to till at either 4, 6, or 8 inches deep. And I think that's really nice because most amendments and fertilizers will tell you to work their product into about the top 4 inches of soil, but sometimes when you're getting your beds ready for root crops like potatoes or carrots, you want to work that stuff in just a little bit deeper, so the fact that you can go down 8 inches is really nice. The handle has padding, which is really nice. It makes it much more comfortable to use. In fact, this whole handle folds down, so if you don't have a whole lot of storage in your shed or your garage, it makes it easier to tuck in somewhere. Also, if you need to take it somewhere, if you have a friend who wants to borrow it, you can fold the handle down and then you can transport it easily, just throw it into the trunk of your car. It weighs 26 pounds, and for comparison's sake, Mantis has a 2-cycle gas-powered tiller that weighs 20 pounds, but you know what, I'm okay with the extra 6 pounds because it makes it feel sturdier to me, and I think that extra weight helps it dig a little bit deeper and not bounce on top of the soil. Now let's talk about the battery. So it is 58 volt, and Mantis says that it can run for up to 30 minutes. So there are 2 different power settings. If you're running it on the lower setting, I think you can get up to that 30 minutes, but if you're running it in a higher power setting, I think you probably would be closer to about 20 minutes. Investing in a second battery might not be a bad idea, especially if you've got a really large area to till, so you kind of have a backup battery to use. But we all know that batteries for machines like this are not cheap. An extra battery runs about $150. So if that kind of thing isn't in your budget, there is a corded version of this tiller that you can plug in for $129. So you just kind of have to weigh your options there. In terms of power difference between battery and gas, I actually can't tell a huge difference, but this tiller was not designed to just plow new garden spaces in really heavy clay soil or having to, go through a bunch of roots. This is more for more established areas, raised beds, areas that you've already been working on a little bit. They've got different tillers that are bigger, like kind of more heavy-duty workhorse type tillers for new areas that you're working on. The top reasons I like battery operated over gas is, 1, you don't smell like gas when you're done working with it. The second thing is you don't have to mix gas with oil and keep track of that gas can. Aaron has like 4 or 5 gas cans in the garage, and I never know which one has what in it, so I don't even have to think about it. The third thing is there is no pull start, and I think that that's probably my #1 favorite thing about this machine. All you have to do is push the button and pull the lever and it's on. There's like no effort to turn it on. And the fourth thing is it is a lot quieter than a 2-cycle. So to sum it all up, I think that this is a really good tiller for those of you with small garden spaces or with raised beds, areas like that you're working in. It's just such an easy tool to get out of the garage, quickly do your work, and then store it easily in a small space. So I really hope that you enjoyed this overview of this tiller. We'll put links down below if you want to check it out further. Make sure that you're entered in the giveaway, so check the description of this video. All the details will be there. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.